I'm coming to you, scat. You ready for this? Found this beat on YouTube, but that doesn't make me any less fly. You ready? Chilling at home with the flu, and I just can't think of anything to do. I saw your super whack vid, and I thought, yeah, I'ma school this kid. In your first video, you say you know me, but everybody knows that you ain't no G. Your spirits are fly. Yeah, that's true. But sweetie, nobody knows you. You say you're fly, that may be right, but you're not fly enough to take any kind of flight. Birds and rivers have no relation. Baby, step it up. Some people won't be hating. Your kicks are right. They may be tight, but you need to get some better rhymes, aight? You wear no underwear, man, that's whack. You shouldn't be telling everybody that you're that, like your name is Scat. That may be right, but you guys should take a hike, aight? CO, leaving the building in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See ya!